Lok Sabha today saw an explosive exchange between Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, BJP MP Anurag Thakur, and leader of the opposition and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi over various issues and particularly Agnipath scheme. Especially a Jat or caste comment by Mr. Thakur sent the Lok Sabha in an uproar of anger. BJP MP Anurag Thakur launched a wheel attack against Congress and the leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi over the issue of caste census. He said, "The one whose caste is not known is talking about the census." The remark of caste led to an uproar in the House, with Rahul Gandhi interrupting Mr. Thakur's speech and saying, "You can insult me as much as you want, but should not forget that we will get the caste census bill passed in Parliament." Anurag Thakur, however, said he had not named anyone in this remark. Jagdambika Pal, who was presiding over the Lok Sabha proceeding, trying to bring the House into order. However, the MPs continued to voice their discontent. Amid all the chaos, Rahul Gandhi said that whoever in this country speaks for the downtrodden or fights for them, they will always have to take abuses from others. Quote, "I will take all the abuses happily like Arjun in Mahabharat. I can only see the fish's eye. We will get the caste census done, that's it. You can abuse me however many times you like." Unquote. But before this exchange, there was another heated exchange between Samajwadi chief and BJP. Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, who is an MP from Uttar Pradesh's Kannauj, said that the Union Budget 2024 was a budget of despair, but people in the government are praising it. He said that there was nothing in the budget for unemployed, youngsters and villagers. He talked about the lack of infrastructure in Uttar Pradesh, lack of IITs, medical colleges, and unfulfilled promises, and claimed that UP has not got a fair share. He then attacked BJP's Uttar Pradesh performance in Lok Sabha elections 2024, which was unexpectedly low. He then quoted a शायरी by Wasim Barelvi. "वो झूठ बोल रहे थे बड़े सलीके से, मैं एतबार ना करता तो क्या करता?" Or, "He lied with such finesse, I had no option but to believe," he said to cheers from the opposition benches. Before moving to Agnipath scheme, he talked about MSP and lack of development as well. Then about Agnipath he said, "No youngster preparing to join the forces can accept it." When the scheme came, prominent industrialists were asked to tweet that there is no better job and they will rehire Agniveers once their 4-year stint ended. But the government knows it is not a good scheme. That is why BJP-led state governments have added a job quota to Agniveers. At this point, former Union Minister Anurag Thakur objected and said, "I come from Himachal Pradesh, which gave the country its first Paramveer Chakra awardee, the late Major Somnath Sharma. Most martyrs in Kargil were from Himachal. It is the Narendra Modi government that fulfilled the long-pending demand of one rank, one pension."